Hi everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to make this vintage ripple stitch. It's a simple stitch. It's not looking like that, I know, but it's not too hard to make. And I'm gonna make a beginner friendly tutorial, so don't worry about it. And I'm gonna use this yarn. It's a cotton yarn. You can use any yarn you choose. That's a, I think, light worsted weight yarn. And I will use 5.5 millimeter hook with it because I want to have this slouchy look. I use a little bigger hook for this yarn, and that's all. If you are ready, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's start. For this stitch, you're gonna need multiples of 9 plus 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I think that's enough, and I'm gonna add 1 chain. I have 28 chains right now. And then turn back, and into this second stitch make a single crochet. It's be better if you use these back bumps. It will look more clean, because it's a little hard to make a border for this stitch, and it will look better with this way. But just for this tutorial, I'm gonna insert into the chain, make a single crochet into the next, a single into the next, a single, and one more. I've totally made 4 single crochets now. Into this next stitch we will make 3 into same stitch. 1, 2, 3, and then make 8 single crochets. As you know, that's the top. Now we will make 8 single crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Now we will make the next top. Make 3 single crochets into same stitch, chain. Make 8 single crochets in a row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Into the next. 1, 2, 3. And for this next 4 stitches we will put 1 single crochet. Chain 1, turn. Now we will make single crochets again. We are gonna use the back loops. That's the front loop, that's the back loop, and we are making ripple. So if we use all these stitches here right now, as you know, we made some increases here. If we use all these stitches, we will make these, we can't make this edge straight. So we must make a decrease here. If you want, you can skip this first stitch and start from the second one directly. But I prefer to make a decrease, single crochet decrease, insert into this first stitch, grab the yarn, then insert into the next stitch. I'm only using back loops, grab the yarn. I have 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through. That's my first single crochet. Then I will make 1, 2, 3, 4 totally, and that's the second single crochet. We made 3 for this stitch, as you know. That's the middle one. Put 3 here. 1, 2, 3. Then make 4 single crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4. Skip 2. Don't make any chains. Skip 2. Insert into the next. Make a single crochet. Make 3 more. 1, 2, 3, 4 totally. Into the next. 1, 2, 3 single crochets into same stitch. 4 single crochets in a row. Skip 2, 4 single crochets again, and that's the top. Put 1, 2, 3 in the same stitch, and we have 5 stitches left here. Make 1, 2, 3. If you choose to skip this first stitch here, for this side, you can skip this 4th stitch, insert into the 5th and make a single crochet. Okay, you can close it with this way. But for me, I'm gonna make a decrease. Insert into the next, grab the yarn, insert into the next, grab the yarn, yarn over, pull through. Chain 1, turn. And use the back loops again. Make a decrease first. Make 3 single crochets. On the top, put 3 single crochets into the same place. 4 single crochets in a row. Skip 2 and 4 single crochets in a row. And we are at the heel again. And repeat this, complete this row 2. I'll see you at the end of this row. I'm at the end again. I'm gonna make a decrease here. Chain 1, turn. Now, we will make here, we will make double triples, but first we must make some slip stitch. We will not join from here. Insert into the first stitch, make a slip stitch. I'm using back loops again. Second slip stitch and third slip stitch. I made 3 slip stitches. Then chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yarn over 3 times. There is different tutorials actually. I made a tutorial 3 years ago for my Turkish channel, and I use triple triples for this one, but this time I'm gonna use double triples. I think it looks better. So yarn over 3 times, insert into this next stitch, grab the yarn, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Okay, yarn over 3 times into the next stitch, pull through 2, 2, 2, and 2. I have 3 double triple right now. Now that's the middle stitch. Into this one we're gonna make 3. 1, 2, and 3. And I will make 3 more into this next 3 stitches. I will put 1 for each one. 1, 2, 3. And that's the end of the first one. Now we're gonna make the second set. For this we're gonna skip 1, 2, 3, 4. Yarn over twice, third time, sorry, insert into the 5th stitch here, skip 1, 2, 3, 4 into the 5th stitch back loop, make a double triple, 1, 2, 3, 4, into the next, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and into this top stitch put 3, and make 3 more. 1, 2, 3. Skip 4 again and repeat this for one more time. See you at that. I'm making the last one and I am not completing it. Okay, I pull through 3 times and leave it. If you want, you can complete it, then tie the other yarn, but I'm gonna change the color now, and there will be 2 stitches left. Just leave them. grab the other color, pull through. I will hide them later. Chain 1, turn. If you want, you can put this yarn here and you're gonna make your single crochets around them and hide them with this way. I don't want to confuse you, so I will leave them here. And for this row, you can use both loops. You can use only back loop too, but I'm gonna use both loops. Insert into the first stitch, make a single. 2, 3, 4. Into the 5th, make 3 single crochets. And make 8 single crochets in a row. We are repeating this first row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that's the middle stitch. Put 3. Make 8 more and 3 in the same stitch. See you here. I made us 3 here and I will make 4 single crochets in a row. 3 and make the 4th one into this chain, 5th chain. Chain 1, turn. Again, we will use back loops only. Make a decrease, make 3 more single crochets, and into this top make 3 in the same stitch. Then make 4, skip 2, 4 more, and 3 into same stitch. Just complete this row. Don't forget to put a decrease here. Then turn and repeat this row for one more time. Then we're gonna make this row. Just repeat the pattern from now on, and in the end, when I complete this double triples, I just make single crochet with the same color and finish it. That's the right side, and that's all. I hope you like this tutorial. If you like, please thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Sirin's Crochet is my Instagram address, and it's also my Pinterest website, Ravelry and Etsy. And you can find me anywhere you want. That's it for today. Hope to see you again. Have a nice day. Bye.